The Safe Alliance shelters for children and families are almost always at capacity. However, during the coronavirus pandemic, operations have changed.
We've had to reduce our capacity because we have to set up isolation. We have to do social distancing. We have to have quarantine areas. And so when we could have previously would have put two people together in a room, now we're trying to have them in separate rooms. So there's some really big challenges associated with providing these kinds of services, in particular the face-to-face residential services during a time of pandemic.
The Safe Alliance services have also moved online with virtual counseling, a method the Texas Advocacy Project has used since 2007 to reach clients across the state of Texas. Both organizations say they saw an uptick in calls once the pandemic started.
We had a 33% increase in calls to our legal line. It tells us that the services are needed and that they're viable and that they are a solution for people who are trying to escape abusive homes. And we know that right now, the home is not the safest place for a lot of people. And it's going to take services like the civil legal remedies that we have available to them to get them out safely in the long run.
The health crisis mandated stay-at-home order is weighing heavily on families. Advocacy groups have turned to online preventative methods using safety planning and parenting techniques.
We're doing a whole lot around prevention right now, and intervention in ways to support people and families because we really don't want to see that kind of increase, and really encouraging people to enroll in our Strong Start program so that they can participate and learn about healthy parenting.
Advocates say they are concerned not only for families during the pandemic, but after.
I absolutely believe that when this pandemic ends, there will be an onslaught of people needing civil legal remedies to get out of their abusive homes. I think that things are going to escalate quickly when people are forced to shelter in place with their batterer. And I believe that the minute this quarantine breaks, there are going to be a number of women who are going to need a civil legal remedy to get permanent safety. If you are a survivor and you are at home and you're sheltering in place, please know that there are going to be resources available to you when you decide that it's time to leave.